What's good, beautiful people? So, this is basically how to promote any product or service using content, even if you have a small following. Your following does not have to be big in order for you to start promoting your product and or service. Your following does not have to be big in order for you to make extra income. There are people who have had maybe less than 100 followers, less than 500 followers. Sometimes your content tends to reach non-followers before it reach your actual followers itself. And that's how it usually happen, depending on your content that you're basically putting out, the hook that you have on your content. And is it being relatable to the next person? Does it give the next person motivation and be like, oh my God, I want to do this. I'm so afraid. But it just gives a person pretty much hope that they can do this as well too. When it comes to creating simple content using your product and or service, talk about the benefits of the product and or service. Talk to your audience. Let your audience know who you are. Definitely try your best to understand your audience as well too, what they may like, what they don't like. Especially when you engage with your audience, you're pretty much seeing what your audience like and what they may do on a daily basis. Also, another good thing as well too is basically using 10-second content, 15-second content, because we already know our attention span is definitely short, and you have to pretty much grab the audience within 3 seconds of them scrolling on the timeline and them coming across your video, and they're like, oh, okay, what is this? What is she trying to say? Or what is he trying to say? Different things of that nature. So it's like you got to just grab them immediately because they're scrolling and different things like that as well too. Also, simple content can basically be that you are in the kitchen washing dishes. You are basically taking the clothes out the washer, putting them in the dryer. That's simple content. You're basically cooking. You're also doing pretty much a review or whatever the case may be. Simple content. 10 seconds. You can be sitting on your couch, with your laptop in your lap, or you have your phone and you're just, typing on the laptop, or you're looking at your phone, or what have you. That's simple content right there. And what you do with that simple content that's 10 seconds, you're basically having an overlay of a text on the screen. You can have something like, what's trending right now, basically saying this may sting a little bit, but dot dot dot. Then you're chopping that down on your video when you go to edit, but then you add in the next overlay of text, basically saying this may sting a little bit, but why are you wasting time not making money? Or but you still scrolling and haven't figured out how to make money, something like that. Or you got a 9 to 5 job, but you can use your life experience and make money, something to that extent. But I'm just giving you an idea, just an example. That way people can gravitate to it and see exactly what you are talking about. You can use faceless content without showing your face itself. You can use AI content as well too, definitely for the right reasons. Now you can use things to basically get ideas and what you want to talk about. Go to ChatGPT. Of course, it's absolutely free, and they definitely have a paid version as well too. Also, you can use CapCut, not CapCut, but CapCut to pretty much edit your videos and different things of that nature as well too. But at the same time, how to basically promote a product is just using simple content. Like you have probably seen me do, just simple content with an overlay of text and pretty much a caption. How to sell digital products as a 9 to 5 mom. You're basically either getting in your car, headed to work, you're walking into work, you're creating a 10-second video, you're saying something about it, you got something in the captions like, this business has helped me make an extra source of income. This business has taught me to put myself out there more. This business have pretty much helped me not think about what to post. That's also another thing. And that's definitely the #1 business academy there. So definitely check that description below in regards to that business academy. Click on my website. It's only a one-time payment fee. of $180, plus to keep access to everything as well too. It will be a $5 monthly platform fee itself, but make sure you always read the descriptions of anything before you make said purchase. So simple content, how to create content using a product or service, how to utilize it. Even if you have a small following, you don't have to have a big following in order to create content. You really and truly don't. So do 10-second content, make it count, use trending sounds. Make sure the first 3 seconds can hook in a person. I know there are so many videos out there, but definitely make it possible. I am here to help the next 5 moms who work a 9 to 5 create simple content. Whether you are a nurse, a teacher, a doctor, a principal, a police officer, a firefighter, whether you are in the healthcare field itself, whether you basically take care of dogs, whatever it may be, that is a job. And at the end of the day, you can turn that job into life experiences. And with those life experiences, you can turn it into a digital product that can basically, guess what? You can turn it into content as well too, to teach other people about what you do and how to educate them as well too. Simple as that. Check that description below.